In this video, we will demonstrate how to flash the UIFlow to firmware onto the Atom-Lite, as well as how to edit and deploy programs. Download and install M5 Burner from the M5 Stack official website. In the device list on the left side of M5 Burner, select Atom, find the UIFlow to firmware for Atom-Lite, and click Download. Visit the official M5 Stack website. Download and install the USB driver that matches the current operating system. Connect the device to the computer via USB Type-C cable. Click Burn. Enter the Wi-Fi and other related configuration information. Click Next to flash firmware. After the firmware has been flashed, the device needs to connect to UIFlow 2 before programs can be deployed. Atom-Lite supports connecting to UIFlow 2 in two ways: access code or USB. This tutorial uses the access code method. After powering on the device, check the LED indicator. When it turns green, the Atom-Lite has successfully connected to the network. Open UIFlow to Web IDE. Open the UIFlow to web terminal. Connect the device to the computer via USB Type-C cable. In the pop-up window, select the serial port of your Atom-Lite and click Connect. Click the Soft Reset button in the serial monitor to perform a soft reset. After the device reboots, you can view the current access code and Wi-Fi connection status. Click Controller to open device list. Click Connect Device. Enter access code and name your device. We'll walk through examples to show program editing on Atom-Lite in UIFlow 2. Example 1. Text output. Use the text Blockly module to make the Atom-Lite output Hello M5 stack every second, and display it in the serial monitor. Click Run once for a temporary test. Example 2. RGB. Use the RGB Blockly module to change the indicator light color every second. Example 3. Button. Use the button Blockly module to change the indicator light color when button A is pressed. Example 4. IR. Use an Atom-Lite as the transmitter and a Cores 3 equipped with a unit IR as the receiver to implement infrared communication. Here's the full demo of programming Atom-Lite on UIFlow 2. Give it a try.